Eating is a basic human need. To fulfill this need, millions of people around the world in every nation and culture go to eat in restaurants, canteens, or refectories every day. They all have one thing in common. They all want to be served quickly at the same time. And of course, it should taste great, and the price must be right too. This takes many years' experience, a well-oiled team, and solid routines. Cooking speed, flexibility, and above all, the quality of the food are very important. This is a huge challenge for any catering team. But there is modern equipment that makes everyday work in the kitchen much easier. Tilting pans are old-fashioned. If I just think back on how I used to have to sear my goulash in it, the meat used to boil and it didn't brown nicely. That was really annoying. Today, I have a Frima VarioCooking center. This allows me to sear more meat and browning results are great. I'm really proud of it. I enjoy cooking in it.
Before the VarioCooking center, my job was very hot, heavy work. Now it's made a lot simpler by the VarioCooking center as there's no more need to carry the heavy pots. The machine will empty itself at the touch of a button. Also, there's no more overcooking of the product as it will lift from the water on the self-timing system, alerting you when it's ready. I learnt about the VarioCooking center at a Frima Cooking Live, which I very much recommend.
Our young guests love rice pudding. This was always hugely time-consuming for us in a conventional kettle. The milk had to be stopped from boiling over, the rice stuck, and after all that we had to get the kettle clean again. We don't have to do any of that now. I simply push the milk dishes process button on the VarioCooking center and off it goes. Time to perfection, the quality is always the same and no more scorching. In the past, we used lots of pots and pans in our a la carte business, and constant supervision was needed. My team was under pressure, and the results were not always optimal. We were constantly having to compromise. Since we've been using the Vario, the cooking results always meet my expectations. The service is now totally stress-free, and we even have time for important things like arranging the food perfectly. And that makes all the difference. Visit us at a free Frima Cooking Live. Test for yourself one of the most popular kitchen appliances in Europe. Register now for a cooking trial. www.frima-uk.co.uk. Boil, fry, or deep fry in a single unit up to 4 times faster and with 40% less power consumption.